Welcome to IDES 2022 in Oslo, Norway. We have been inviting law enforcement and public safety for focus on drones for tool, threat and evidence. Presentations, exercises, everything that can bring together best practice and learn from some of the leading experts in the world.
In public safety, situational awareness is a team sport. I could not be more excited to be here at Interpol Drone Expert Summit, talking about how industries working together to make drone operations truly collaborative.
What an amazing experience we've had here, coming together with industry leaders throughout the world. I'm looking forward to what the future holds for the public safety with drones. Thank you so much.
Madan, IDES 2022 is over.
I don't think it's over. I think the journey continues. I look forward to engaging with the stakeholder group in terms of the action group to look at the strategic framework. I look forward to hosting the next drone exercise on forensics.
Exciting.
And also the next iteration of the Drone Expert Summit.
We hope to see you all there.
That's it.